Hopewell and we're gonna be checking out the Orchard housing scheme. You know, beautifying, doing landscaping, etc. A basic school right here on the left. It's called Hopewell Basic School. Orchard Neighborhood Watch. This is Pineapple Drive of the ship. There's the steam engine. This is the beach they're trying to take away from the residents. Look how lovely this spot is. Nice and clean. Little Orchard Crescent. Almost like an apartment style building. Alright? Just beautiful. That's the old steamer beach, and you can see right here, see them try to erect the columns.
Yeah man, welcome to Jamaica. The sun has shine so bright and clear. Island Max showing the beauty right here. The white sand beaches, the water so blue. Come feel the culture, it running right through. Amazing people with a smile on them face. The lush green hills in this blessed place. Them show the whole world the land where we love. A gift from the heavens high up above. Island Max showcasing Jamaica. Island Max showcasing Jamaica.
Today we're in Hopewell and we're gonna be checking out the Orchard housing scheme. Thanks so much for tuning in. We're gonna make the right turn right here, straight into the scheme. The Hopewell Sports and Community Center is on the left, and this is the Aston King Drive. Look at this beautiful, beautiful drive up. Lovely. Again, we've been getting some rains since the past few days, hence why it's a bit bleak now. But look how lovely this housing scheme is, and trust me, the view when you're coming back down is simply amazing, man. Alright, we're gonna turn left here. There's a stop sign here. We stop and then we proceed. This housing scheme here in Hopewell, Hanover, has been around for a very long time. This is what it looks like today. Also, you can let me know if this is a neighborhood that you would want to live in. Just on the outskirts of Montego Bay, way up in the hills with the lovely sea view. Jamaica is just beautiful, man. Here's another stop sign, and then we're gonna make the right turn. Lovely, lovely houses. I mean, persons have been adding on to the scheme area, to the scheme houses, you know, beautifying, doing landscaping, etc., and making the most of this beautiful location. We're on Begonia Drive. This is Begonia Drive here. Just lovely. Orchard housing scheme here in Hanover, Jamaica. Just outside the town of Hopewell. Again, do let me know who's watching this video and where you're watching from. Showing you the beauty of Jamaica, one location at a time. Listen, it's a long time I haven't been in this housing scheme. Look at those houses way up on the hill there, man. Just beautiful. A lot of persons prefer to live on the outskirts of Montego Bay. You know, Montego Bay is a bit it's a congested now, and here it's more in Hanover, it's more quiet. If you go into your major, let me show you the view I was talking about before I continue to the rest of the scheme. If you're going to your major banks, etc., places of business, you'd have to travel to Montego Bay, just about 15 kilometers from Montego Bay. There's the sea view I was telling you about. You can see a lot of the house here. Even this one here on Cherry Drive has been damaged. My. Total loss of the roof. This is the sea view I was telling you about. Some more zinc. I'm getting to know the area. Just seeing how the roads are connected. One thing though, you know, in the Jamaican neighborhoods, you're going to find a lot of trees. People are going to plant their trees, I'm telling you. Jamaicans love their trees, especially their fruit trees. Okay, so this is how the roads here are connected. And some lovely houses are here, you know. Yeah man, tucked away with that nice, lovely sea view. Some beautiful homes are here. Telling you, if I get one of these houses, I would set up an Airbnb, man. Sometimes the guests want to experience, you know, places outside of the urban spaces. Orchard Neighborhood Watch. This is Pineapple Drive. We're still in Orchard. There's another entrance behind me that you can enter into the housing scheme. Lovely. Coconut Drive is on the left. See people planting up the corn and banana and planting on the roadside. I'm telling you, there's a basic school right here on the left. It's called the Hopewell Basic School. Listen me on the roadside, people planting up corn and planting, man. I'm telling you, why not? We have the good soil, we have the good climate. We have to plant up the area. Love seeing that. Lovely. You have your palm trees right along. My, this is a lovely neighborhood. Yes, man. Persons building their houses, going on top to try and get that lovely sea view. Orchard is lovely. There's another housing scheme not too far. We'd have to go through Trial though to get there. That one is Trial Gardens. Just a lovely community. I'm gonna see if I can get to Trial Gardens as well, that I do a tour of that community. I know you miss Jamaica. You miss your different locations, especially the ones that you've grown up in, or you frequent, or you're just new to the channel. You just love what you're seeing here in Jamaica. Oh, there's a plane way over in the distance. Can't see, but I can see it. Going to the Sangster International Airport. Again, we're about 15 to 16 kilometers away from Montego Bay, and about 18 kilometers from the Sangster International Airport. Look how lush green the surroundings are here. Alright, so we're gonna go to Trial Gardens. Look at this. See the house there on the right? Totally, the roof is totally gone. I wonder if they're selling that house. It's a lovely house, you know. Got mangoes on the tree. Julie mangoes. I wonder if we can stop and pick one. Oh my man. Right on the roadside. You see sweet stuff on the roadside as well. And with it, look at this, a nice banana field right here on the right. Just beautiful. The rain is drizzling. But I say I have to show you this neighborhood. It's beautiful. A lot of the original scheme houses, oh man, you must can find a house here to buy, because some of the houses look abandoned. Just a few of them are the original scheme houses damaged after the hurricane. If you live in this area, you used to live, or you currently have a house in this area, let me know in the comment section. Probably you want me to do some property management for you. Yes, I need to start offering that service, property management, Island Max property management services. Right? There is another house. Look at this. This is what the original scheme house look like right here. You see? If you're abroad and you want me to manage a property for you, I should be able to can keep eyes on your property for you, man. Especially if it's in the Montego Bay area. Montego Bay, Hanover, or Trelawney. Alright? Look at the lovely sea view. There's the community center on the right. One of the most beautiful community centers I've seen in Jamaica so far. It seemed to have even AC. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Yeah, the community center. Look at the play field on the right. An amazing community center. I'm telling you, when we just came out in the scheme, we saw it on the left. A full football field, a full tennis court. Not tennis, full basketball court. Yeah, man, Hopewell Sports and Community Center is one of the most beautiful community centers I've seen in Jamaica. Aston King Drive. Look at this JUTC. Or somebody say Metrobus. Montego Bay Metrobus passing. So we're back on the main road. This is the main road that carries you straight to Lucy and to Negril. Alright. So this is the second entrance here on the left I was telling you about, that you can use to enter Orchard Gardens. There is a gas station on the left. My, we're gonna get some rains. Oh, this is Orchard Gardens here on the left. Okay. That's a gated community on the top of the hill on the left. Oh, so one is Orchard. Where we were was Orchard, and on the left now is Orchard Gardens. Okay. So you have Orchard Housing Scheme, and you have Orchard Gardens. Hey, what about this right here? This beach, the old steamer beach. Let me see if I can do a quick stop over there, because I heard that they're trying to take over the beach, taking it away from the residents. Let me see what's happening here. Look at the columns that they've built to try to erect a wall right here. Look at that. You can imagine private persons trying to take away the public beach. This is the beach right here. Nice swing song. Let's see what's happening on this, the old steamer beach. Look how the beach nice, man. This is the old steamer beach. They're cleaning up. They're gonna have a beach rave here. A party is gonna be held right here on the old steamer beach. Look how beautiful this is. My. Where else they can just... There's the road. The road is right there. So they're cleaning off the wall there. The road is right here. And the beach is right here. You can just come off and just have a swim right here. Look at this. I believe there's some history with the ship that is right here. I heard it was docked here from in the what? Late 1800s. It was a US ship and it has sunk. It drifted all the way from Moby, and this is where it ended up. So hence why this area is called Old Steamer Beach. Look at this. One of these days I'm going to take a dive right here and show you the remains of the ship. There's the steam engine. There's the steam engine right here. And this is the beach, may I tell you, man. This is the beach they're trying to take away from the residents. Look how lovely this spot is. Nice and clean. Beautiful. Nearly dropped a while ago. You can come out here and even catch fish as well. Oh, so see a section of the boat right here. So it comes all the way here. Look how lovely this is. And you can imagine they're trying to take this away from regular Jamaicans. Beach access is a problem, but I heard that it's not just Jamaica. Other Caribbean countries are going through the same thing. So if you're from another Caribbean country, let me know the issues that you're facing with beach access in Jamaica. So it goes all the way out there. There's the full length of the beach. So this is Orchard. This is the Old Steamer Beach. You might hear they call it Little Orchard Beach as well. So there we have it. That's the Old Steamer Beach, and you can see right here, see them try to erect the columns to try this. I think it was overnight. Somebody a team of workers just come and put in the columns, install them right here along the beach and the roadside to try to, you know, sneakingly, well, I'm telling you, to just take away the beach just like that. The argument is it's a private person. I think it's a female, they said. And but the residents are contesting, saying that the beach was given to them. But my. Trying to take away the beach from the residents is crazy. Here is another of the column right here on the left. The rain is coming down. Right along the stretch here. See it here, another column erected right here. I heard that there was a stop order put to it though. Look at that. And they put a tire there with plants just in case. You see that? They put a tire there with palm trees, you know, to corner off the area. Here's another column right here. Boy, may I tell you, why would somebody want to take away this beach? My. And there's a sign right here on the left. Notice where they put the sign? Look at it, right here. The sign right here says private property. No dumping of any kind. Private property. Alright, I'm telling you. Alright, we want to go across the road because right over there is Little Orchard. Alright, so this is Little Orchard Crescent. Little Orchard Crescent. So this is Little Orchard Crescent Neighborhood Watch. There's a sign, and look at the lovely homes that are being constructed here. I think I had a subscriber saying that they purchased property here. Jehovah's Witness is on the meeting place is on the left. So this is why they call it Little Orchard Beach. This is the Little Orchard housing development here. So you have Orchard Housing Scheme, Orchard Gardens, which is gated, and this is Little Orchard. We're on Little Orchard Crescent. Look at the lovely homes here. Just beautiful. The sea is on my right. Wonder how far this development goes. Yeah man, if this is somewhere you'd want to live, let me know in the comment section. My. Look at the view I'm telling you about, man. And the residents here will just walk down from their homes. When next are you coming to Jamaica? Let me know in the comment section. Beautiful community. Little Orchard. rain is coming down more and more. So we did Orchard housing scheme, and now we're at Little Orchard Crescent. Want to see what's there in Trial Gardens. That's where we're going finally. Trial Gardens. This is the journey that will carry you straight. So we're back on the main road. The rain is slowly coming down. To talk more about beach access, you know, and what it means for the regular Jamaicans. I'm gonna do a live on it as well. Ensure that you tap that subscribe button. Alright, so Bergamo Boulevard is on the left. That will carry you to Hopewell High School. Or we could even talk about it right here in the comments. What are your views on beach access? Is Harmony Beach Park in Montego Bay really free if you have to pay to park at the beach? Or do you think it's fair because they have to pay the lifeguards, they have to pay the persons who are keeping up the property, cleaning, etc., landscaping? So much costs associated with operating a beach park. So do you think it's fair for persons to be paying $300 per hour to park at Harmony Beach Park? And again, I want to know how it is in other countries compared to Jamaica. Do other Caribbean countries have similar problems? Pothole here, that just fix the road and there's a pothole. Alright, so Great Valley is on the left. We have been to Great Valley, we have been to Pondside, Cascade, all of those areas we've been in. This is Trial, where you have the Trial clubs. Lovely, lovely property. Again, you can send gifts here. You can send super gifts right here. We very much appreciate it. Thanks again for your continued support on this, the Island Max channel. We're just 5 minutes away from our destination. Less than 5 minutes. We're going to Trial Gardens. So Trial Clubs is on the left and the right. A lot of celebrities have purchased property at Trial. A very big property. Very, very big property. Should persons be able to own a beach? Or even if they own the beach or the property adjacent to the beach, should they have an area that allows persons to access the beach? Or should they just allow them to access a section of the beach? So much things to deal with. And I think the government is, beating around the bush when it comes down to beach access, especially as it relates to hotels. They don't want the locals coming over to harass the guests. Or am I looking too deep into the issue? Let me know in the comment section. Alright, so we're gonna make, look at my past, my destination. Let me see. Should make the next left turn. Right down the road we're gonna make the left turn. So let's turn into Trial Gardens right here. So it reads Trial Gardens Neighborhood Watch. United we stand, divided we fall. So we're still in Hanover, Jamaica. Yes. And look at these beautiful homes right here. My. This is lovely. Lovely properties right here. Look at that. Almost like an apartment style building. All right. Look at the entrance here. Lovely. Beautiful. Going straight up before we do the turn-offs. Do you frequent this area? Let me know in the comments. Violet Drive is on the left. Bromelia Drive is on the left. Violet Drive on the right. Lovely. Some beautiful homes are here. Almost like you're gone into cherry gardens now. It's just the roads need to be fixed. Look at these beautiful homes here. Whoa. Let's see what's beyond here. Man, Hanover have some beautiful locations. I would live in these areas, I'm telling you. Nice and quiet. Peaceful. You never hear Trial Gardens name calling any bangarang. Lovely neighborhood. They're doing some road work, some grading. They put the asphalt on the road already. Lovely neighborhoods here. So they're fixing up the road in this section, it seems. And more homes on the left going up in the hill. So it looks like this road carries you. I have no idea. Let's go on the left here. Oh, this area goes into another community, it seems. Alright, let's go around the other side. This is the view when we're exiting. Or going back in the direction where we came from. Trial Gardens. There's the lovely sea area. This is Bromelia Drive. Bromelia Drive. Beautiful neighborhood. Got these lovely homes here. When next are you coming to Jamaica? Let me know in the comments. Also tap that subscribe button. Let's grow this channel. We have lots more locations to show you. Some beautiful homes here in Trial Gardens. Just lovely. Look at that, man, some nice homes here. Again, it's just the roads that are the issue in these communities. I notice most of them in Western Jamaica that we've covered. Lovely homes. Orchard Drive is on the left. Orchard Drive. Beautiful homes. There seems to be a broken pipe on the street here. Some of the homes seems to nobody lives there. Probably the persons have migrated. Again, who wants Island Max to do some property management for them, and it's something I'm looking at. I know a lot of persons abroad, just want eyes. That's all. They just want eyes on their property, or just somebody to do a quick in and out for them. You let me know in the comment section. Also, my phone number is posted on my channel's homepage. Look at these beautiful homes here in Hanover. Who knew Hanover had these beautiful homes? My. Seeing some damages to some of the properties from hurricane. Over there is a factory. I think it's a factory was over there on the left, They converted it to a call center at one point in time. I'm not sure of what it is being used for now. Wow. Beautiful Florida style homes I'm seeing, man. Some persons just want a nice, comfortable dream house to live in Jamaica. Beautiful. And we're going into Sandy Bay, to the town area. So they're advertising some seafood event. Again, they're gonna have a party on our beach rave on the Hopewell beach. That's the not the Orchard Beach, the Old Steamer Beach. Sandy Bay Health Center and Sandy Bay Primary School is on the left. also in Montpelier on the left. You can turn to go way up in the hills in an area called Montpelier. Not the Montpelier after Anchovy, a different Montpelier here in Hanover. So this is what Sandy Bay looks like right before the rain bursts. Come know this rain is gonna, listen me. When this rain bursts, I'm telling you, man, it's gonna rain. Cats and dogs. Nice double-decker bus here. What do you call that style of bus? Almost has 2 stories. Or 1.5 story. So this is the beautiful Sandy Bay, Hanover, Jamaica. There's the Adventist church on the right. Sandy Bay New Testament on the left. High Level Road on the left. Oh, so we could drive from there, go to High Level. Okay, so we could have driven from Trial Gardens and go into High Level Road area. Nice, nice, nice. Sandy Bay Basic School is on the left. So now you know what Sandy Bay looks like. You know what Orchard housing scheme, Trial Gardens and Little Orchard looks like. Thanks so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. We have a lot to share with you. Until then, my people, it's one love Jamaica. Bless up.